gels, and I'm gonna probably doing that look. It's gonna be perfect for like ocean theme. And again, condensed glue gel, really thick density, so when you get it, you notice that it's gonna be like really thick, so you know it's neat just little amounts. However, if you need to get more for your 3D portrait back, feel free to add a little bit more. And I'm blending it, and also no wet top coat.
Yes, Rena. Yes, we do. You want to look under our sticker collection, Trendy Sticker collection.
Yes, we do have. It's old English letter, and I'm gonna using that. My glow in the dogs. I feel like we did apply the no wipe top coat floating right on the top of the crystal. Oh, I like that a lot. So let's do some orange. Like I have a coral colors. I really like it. And you can doing it's like surround with the nails, or you can just I'm gonna do it just getting around the nails because they are so beautiful. I feel like it more pink. Really stunning. I want that one too. Oh, that's pretty. It absolutely limits like less of what you can do and create with this. And you can see that I did different colors on it. It doesn't have to be identical. I'm just adding it. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. It's a purple one. There's so many colors from the gold glow in the dark kits because they literally have probably like. And now if you're happy with this, we're also going to add some beads on. And blend it. I'm gonna tap the metal beads on each crystal. You don't have to if you feel like it's good and you're good to go. And add one more. Actually, this I do like it. It's really cool though. So that is a centerpiece, like it's really dramatic centerpiece, okay? So, and I love it on the background. You have is super cute, like ocean theme. Look like a treasure. You think? I'm gonna end my metal beads with 3 beads, like have a triangle pyramid, however you want to call it.
KPA hair and nails. So the one we're using is called our crystal picker. So dual end crystal picker. You have one head of the wax, so you can pick up and stuff, and the other end you have the dotting tool, so you can maneuver and put everything around.
Yeah, and you can also design nail art fun with this. So you're happy with this? We're going to keep. I love the look though. It's just really cool. I would wear that when I get the nails, long nails again. So I got a short nails for after like 2 years. But for a lot of you who are having a short nail clients, I did my nail short to support you, because a lot of clients will be short nails also. So I do, you know, like. So the best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is really flexible. You can't adjusting it however you want to be perfect, and then you curing. Okay, all right, so